Imagine a world where your eyes are your passport, your ATM card, and your digital identity. Welcome to the future of biometric identification. Today, we're going to talk about Deep Face, a cutting-edge eye-scanning orb introduced by Sam Altman's WorldCoin. In this video, we're exploring the future of biometric identification and how Deep Face could reshape our digital and physical identities, hopefully for the better. Deep Face is a device that scans the iris of the eye. The Deep Face technology features advanced algorithms that create a unique digital identity. It is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to all. Deep Face scans the iris by using a specially designed portable device that captures high-resolution images of the eye. The images are then analyzed by the AI algorithms to generate a unique digital identity based on the unique patterns in the iris. AI plays a vital role in processing the images. It establishes security measures to ensure confidentiality and privacy. Iris recognition has its advantages over fingerprint or facial recognition, such as accuracy, speed, and its non-invasive nature. We do achieve enhanced security through unparalleled uniqueness of the iris patterns, as well as protection against fraud and identity theft. Therefore, it can be applied in various industries, such as banking, travel, and in access control. It eliminates the need for physical identification documents and benefits individuals, especially the elderly and the disabled, and the ones without traditional identification. It also has a potential to bridge the digital divide. Potential applications could include things like voting, healthcare, payback identification, and more. Integration with other technologies, such as blockchain and cryptocurrency. It can play a role in creating a more equitable and inclusive digital society. As with anything, there are ethical considerations, such as data privacy concerns and potential misuse. Responsible development and regulation, innovation with ethical principles, and many more. The broader implications include how this would impact our society and the economy. What is its potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and with each other? It's very important to know and learn more about Deep Face and its implications for both current and future technologies, so as to be in the forefront of the AI-driven technological revolution we're currently going through. Hopefully, you now have a good understanding of Deep Face and its potential. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and share. And for more such insightful content, subscribe to MyNextBest. Always remember that technology has the power to reshape our world, so let's use it for the greater good. Take care, cheers, bye.